If you're tired of waiting for GTA 6, then this is the perfect game to play, made by one single man. This is GTA Nepal, and if you want to play this game, it is now available to buy. And today, I'm going to show you how you can do just this. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser, and then in the address bar, type in ashimsakya.h.io/Gauley, and then press enter. I will also provide you the link within the description. From this page, just scroll down, and you have various different methods to purchase. For international payments, just click on Buy Now underneath Purchase. When you do this, you can choose to pay with your credit or debit card as well as PayPal. You can also choose to donate above the base price for this incredible game. You can choose to give them as a gift as well. Just enter your email address within the email address section, and then you may proceed with PayPal by simply logging in through your credentials. You can also proceed with paying with your card through the same method. Once your payment has been completed, you will receive a payment confirmation within your email address, and you will also receive the file within this address from which you can begin the installation of the game. If you are from India or Nepal, you can use the given links. Now the process is pretty much the same. Just click on the link and then enter your email address. You can switch your account if it is auto-detected as something else. Now you will get the price details as well as the QR code that you can use to directly send the money to the developer's bank account or to their online wallet. Just open up your phone and scan the QR code, or you may also manually enter the bank details. Once you have completed your payment, just upload your receipt within the payment receipt section. You can directly drag and drop your payment receipt file and it will be uploaded right away. Once the receipt has been uploaded, you can click on the submit button, and now your form has been submitted. You will shortly receive your game within your provided email address, and if you run into any issues, you can directly contact the developer within the email address that you see after you have filled up your form. And now all that's left to do is wait for that email. Now I just had to wait for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I was able to receive the link to download all of the expansions. Now first you will need to download the base game, which is titled as the original name of the game, and this file is about 3.8 gigabytes. Then you can download the other remaining packs that are titled DD, Gopu, and Flight respectively. Once you have downloaded all 4 files, first of all extract the main game file, which is titled Gauley. You can choose your desired directory and then extract your file by creating your folder, and once the extraction is completed, you can simply open up the folder to find the application executable file. You can double-click on this to directly start running the game. You can follow the same process with the remaining files to extract them to your desired location. Now, after extraction, you can simply move the DD, Gopu, and Flight folders inside the folder for the main game. Drag them into the Windows subfolder, and now your game is ready to play. You can create a desktop shortcut for the game launcher, and now all that's left to do is to double-click in order to start the game. If you get a pop-up, you can choose to show more info and then run the game anyway. And now you can enjoy Grand Theft Auto Nepal or Gauley the game on your PC right away. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one where I discover the game for the first time.